it's me, John Peter, on YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to weld a Christmas tree together with steel, and my dad's going to turn the thing on, and then I'm going to start. Make sure you have your mask. Well, I missed, so I'm going to have to try again.
Wait, let me get those steel a little bit closer.
My dad's gonna get my steel back together.
Okay, go ahead. Try now.
And now I'm gonna try again.
I mean, you got it. All right.
It's pretty hot. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Sorry. Go ahead, weld. A little longer. Go ahead. You gotta go to the next one. Go ahead. Huh?
Okay.
What happened?
I think you need to make it a little longer.
Oh, just press the button then. Press the button. Oh, too long. Wait. Too long. Okay. Okay, let's see what you got there.
Okay. Oopsies.
That was my fault. That's okay. And we got ourselves a Christmas tree.
Hot Christmas tree. Hey, it's me, John Peter, on YouTube again. And then I finished tack welding this Christmas tree together by myself. My dad supervised, and my dad cut all this together, all apart, and I welded it. I finished it in one day. I put this up, and then I could put a string through it. So it is here, and Merry Christmas to you and your family.
Let me see. Let me get a close up. There it is. A bolt.
Merry Christmas to you and your family.
And a nut on the top.
Bye.